I'm making you the pizza mac and cheese.
This is Chef Teach, obviously the owner of the growing, world-famous House of Mac. Now, which mac and cheese are you making for us today, Chef?
I'm making you the pizza mac and cheese. My family, we actually make, we call it macaroni pie, right? But,
Gotcha.
But when I went to school, I learned how to make it with the roux, so it's kind of like a fusion of styles.
Gotcha.
And so I prefer to use, so I use the flour, I use the
flour and butter, yep.
But I use heavy cream instead of milk because it gives it like a...
it makes it good.
Yeah, you know.
Mmm.
And then it's the cheeses, so I don't just do the traditional cheddar. I use cheddar to give it a sharp taste.
Throw this in?
Yes.
All right, sir.
So I use the sharp cheddar. I like a little fontina.
I love me some fontina.
I use some smoked Gouda to give it a little smoky taste.
Cause that's sexy. You gotta give it a little mystery, a little something in the background, like, oh.
Cook that down, you know.
Yeah. What's this one?
That's mozzarella.
A little mozz on top.
Well, I put the mozzarella. Well,
you put some in and on.
I put some in and on, but
I
put the mozzarella to give it like a little cheese pull, stringy.
Yeah,
inside. I season it with some black pepper, seasoning salt.
Yes, sir.
Love.
Yes, sir.
Put the love. You got the love?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Garlic powder?
A little garlic powder. And you cook that down.
A little seasoned salt?
A little seasoned salt.
Oh!
There you go.
What?
There you go.
And that's this guy.
And then you let that cook down.
And then are we gonna let these guys go for a spin?
Yeah, we're gonna let that go for a spin.
You want them in this one or that one? The one that's been cooking a little longer?
Already? This one don't have cheese in it though.
Then we're gonna do it in this one?
We're gonna do this one.
Oh, look at you. You're going into the hot tub of love. Yeah. You get them all going together good?
Yep.
And then you're gonna come, you want this one?
Yep.
You want this in there? You want some of, I don't even know.
No, well, yeah, that's avocado cheese. I'm gonna put it in a minute though.
All right.
I'm gonna mix this up, get this going.
Are you going to this one, Chef?
I'm going to that one, yes.
All right.
So I'm gonna mix the Parmesan Romano.
Parm and Romano.
Yeah.
Why pick one when you can have both?
I'm gonna mix the ricotta cheese in here. So the ricotta.
This is like a lasagna had a love baby with mac and cheese and a pizza.
Exactly. There you go.
This has got 3 parents.
All right. And I'm gonna go to the skillet.
Oh, whatever. You can go to the gym next year. All right.
All right, cool.
Spread that around. This is your crust.
That's the base of the mac and cheese.
That's the base.
So now we're gonna take some marinara sauce. Thank you.
There you go.
I'm gonna spread some marinara sauce on this.
How many days a week do you have some mac and cheese?
For me?
Yeah.
Oh nah, I gotta I can't, I gotta pace myself out. I sell it all day. I wash my figure. So got the little marinara sauce.
Okay, now what?
And then I'm gonna take some mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna top it off with some mozzarella cheese.
Like you're building a pizza.
Yeah.
It's a deep dish.
Exactly.
Mac cheese crust pizza.
You know it. And then so I personally don't eat pork, so I use turkey pepperoni.
Turkey pepperoni.
You can go ahead
and chicken sausage.
Nope.
Yeah.
Turkey pepperoni. Finish it off with like some panko breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese.
Ooh, of course. Of course, Chef. Yeah.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
All right, is there one? I hope there's one with some lovin' in the oven.
There you go.
Oh! It's bubbling over.
Got it?
I got it.
You see that, love?
Look at your creation, baby. Look at his creation. Is that crazy? That's like molten lava. We gotta wait a minute, chase that. Come on over here. Now, where are your restaurants? Tell people how they can find you.
I have 3 restaurants in Miami, Florida. One is in Overtown, Florida. I have one in the Virgin Central train station. And then I'm opening one in North Miami Beach, Florida this week.
That is amazing.